Working with MS Word 2010. Uses of Microsoft Office Word 2010. Word processing software is used to create and edit text document, format document, type letters, do homework assignments like writing essay or article. Starting MS Office Word 2010. We can open MS Office Word 2010 through any of these ways. Press the Windows button on the keyboard. Type Word 2010 in the search box. Press Enter key. Alternatively, click Start button. All programs. Microsoft Office. Microsoft Word 2010. Parts of Word window. When we open MS Office Word 2010 using any of the two methods, we get a window. Let's discuss different parts of MS Office Word 2010 window. Title bar. The long horizontal bar at the top of the Word window is called the title bar. A title bar has three parts. Quick Access Toolbar. It has options to perform some actions quickly, like saving, undo, etc. Document name. All files in a computer must have an individual name. When we open Word, the first document is given the name Document 1 by default. The file name is displayed at the center of the title bar. Window buttons. At the rightmost end of the bar, there are three buttons: Minimize, Maximize, and Close. Minimize button folds the window and shows it only on the taskbar. Maximize button changes the window size to monitor size. Close button closes the document. Ribbon. A horizontal bar below the title bar which has options to do different tasks like saving a document, inserting pictures, formatting, etc. is called ribbon. Tabs. The ribbon is organized into tabs. Each tab has options for doing similar functions. Word ribbon has 8 tabs: File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailings, Review, and View. When we open Word, Home tab is open by default. Groups. The options on a tab are again divided into groups, where each group has different options related to same task. For example, Home tab has Font, Clipboard, Paragraph, etc. groups. The Font group will have options for changing document fonts in different ways. Writing area. The big white area where we write to create the documents is called the writing area. Status bar. A long horizontal bar at the bottom of the window which gives information about the document like number of pages, word count, etc. is called status bar.
Word 2010 is the word processing application in the Microsoft Office 2010 suite that allows you to create various types of documents such as letters, brochures, pamphlets, and flexes. In previous classes, you have learnt the basics of working with text so that you can type, edit, and format text. Now you will learn some advanced features of MS Word 2010. Adjust page margins. Margins are the space between the edge of the paper and the text. By default, Word sets all margins left, right, top and bottom to 1 inch. If you will type complete page, Word will leave 1 inch margin from all sides. You can adjust the right, left, top and bottom margins of your document. Open the document whose margins you want to set. Click the Page Layout tab and click Margins button in the Page Setup group. This will display a list of options. Click Custom Margins option available at the bottom. You can also select any of the predefined margins option from the list. It will display a page setup dialog box as shown below. You can set top, left, right and bottom margins under the Margins tab. Select Apply To option to apply the margin on selected text or whole document and click OK. Headers and footers. Headers and footers are parts of a document that contain special information such as the document title, company logo, any photo, page numbers and the total number of pages, etc. The header appears at the top of every page and the footer appears at the bottom of every page. Insert header. Click the Insert tab and click Header button. It will display a list of built-in headers from where you can choose any of the headers by simply clicking on it. The headers will be applied to the document in editable mode and the text in your document will appear as dimmed. Header and footer tools will appear on the ribbon and a Close Header and Footer button will also appear at the top right corner. Type the information you want to have in your document header. Click Close Header and Footer button to come out of the header insertion mode. You will see final result as follows. You can also follow a similar procedure to add footer in your document. Edit header and footer. Following are the simple steps in case you want to edit existing header or footer of your document. Click the Insert tab and click either Header button or Footer button, whatever you want to edit. When you click Header button, it will display a list of options including Edit Header option. Click on it and Word will display editable header for you. Now you can edit your document header. When you are done, click Close Header and Footer button to come out of Edit Header mode. You can follow a similar procedure to edit footer in your document. Add page numbers. Microsoft Word automatically assigns page numbers on the pages of your document. Typically, page numbers are printed either in header or footer, but you have option also to display the page numbers in the left or right margins or at the top or the bottom of a page. Click the Insert tab and click Page Number button available in Header and Footer section. This will display a list of options to display page number at the top, bottom, current position, etc. When you move your mouse pointer over the available options, it displays further styles of page numbers to be displayed on the page. For example, when you take mouse pointer at bottom of page option available under page number, it displays list of styles as shown. Select the page number style which you like by clicking over it. Click Close Header and Footer button. You can format your page numbers using Format Page Numbers option available under the Page Number listed options. Remove page numbers. Following are the simple steps to remove page numbering from a Word document. Click the Insert tab and click Page Number button available in Header and Footer section. Click Remove Page Numbers option. It will delete all the page numbers set in your document. Spelling and grammar check. Microsoft Word enables you to search and correct all spelling and grammar mistakes in your document. Word identifies misspelled or misused words as well as grammatical errors and underlines them as follows. A red underline beneath identifies spelling errors. A blue line underline identifies correctly spelled but misused words. A green underline beneath identifies grammatical errors. Check spelling and grammar using Review tab. Here is the simple procedure to find out spelling mistakes and fixing them. Click the Review tab and then click Spelling and Grammar button. A Spelling and Grammar dialog box will appear and will display wrong spellings or grammar and corrected suggestions as shown below. Options to fix the spelling mistakes. Ignore once. If you are willing to ignore a word, then click this button and Word ignores the word once. Ignore all. Also like ignore once, but ignores all occurrences of the same misspelling, not just this one. Add to dictionary. Choose Add to dictionary to add the word to the word spelling dictionary. Change. This will change the word using the suggested correct word. Change all. Also like change but changes all occurrences of the same misspelling, not just this one. Autocorrect. If you select a suggestion, Word creates an autocorrect entry that automatically corrects the spelling error from now on. Check spelling and grammar using right-click. If you right-click over a misspelled word, then it would show the correct suggestions and options already explained to fix the spelling or grammar mistake. Try it yourself.